Learning journey starts now. Forget the sci-fi hype. The real AI revolution isn't about robots taking over, it's about something far more fundamental: trust. When AI gets smarter than we can easily tell apart, society doesn't just adapt, it reboots. Let's dive into how. Okay, let's get technical, but stick with me. There's this concept called delta min, the minimum difference you actually need to care about. Think of it like trying to distinguish between two super similar shades of blue under a flickering light. If the actual improvement delta from your shiny new AI model is smaller than what you can reliably detect or justify spending time on, delta min, bam, it becomes invisible. Suddenly, being slightly smarter isn't the goal anymore. The game changes. You can't sell a tiny upgrade when the cost of proving it's better outweighs the benefit. So, competition pivots. It's not about raw IQ anymore. It's about reliability, price, and how well the AI fits into existing systems without causing chaos. This delta min is the invisible boundary reshaping the entire market. So what does this mean for the world? Society is becoming less like a chaotic free-for-all and more like a complex engineering system. Think about building a skyscraper versus throwing bricks in the air. AI adoption follows the same logic. We need blueprints, quality control, and accountability. Suddenly, verifiable logs, model versioning, and clear responsibility chains aren't just nice to haves. They're essential infrastructure. Why? Because when AI makes mistakes, especially costly ones, pointing fingers becomes critical. Trust isn't built on impressive demos anymore. It's built on provable evidence, on contracts written in code and data. It's about making the black box transparent enough to be trusted. Now let's talk jobs. Will AI kill all our careers? Probably not immediately. What it will do is rewrite them. Tasks that are repetitive, formulaic, or involve basic analysis. They'll be automated fast. Think content creation, drafting emails, simple customer service. But here's the twist. The middle layer of tasks, the stuff that requires some judgment but isn't super complex, might shrink. Why? Because AI can often do it faster or cheaper, and humans might be asked to verify or oversee. But don't worry, new roles emerge. The bottleneck shifts to defining problems clearly, managing risks, auditing AI outputs, and orchestrating these tools. Look out for job titles like AI process engineer, prompt auditor, or model governance specialist. Your job isn't gone, its core function has likely been transformed. Governance is moving at lightning speed. We're seeing a shift from lofty ethical principles to hard engineering requirements. What does that look like? Mandatory logging, mandatory audits, rigorous risk assessments before deployment, tracking where every piece of data comes from. This isn't just talk anymore, it's becoming baked into the software development lifecycle. And what triggers this? Usually a big oopsie. A major deepfake scandal, a critical infrastructure failure linked to an AI glitch, a high-profile lawsuit. These incidents force the hand of regulators into business. The result? A patchwork quilt of standards globally. Companies won't just follow rules, they'll build modular compliance tools, making them adaptable to different jurisdictions. Governance isn't slowing down, it's becoming a core competitive advantage. So, wrapping up, the future isn't about dazzling AI capabilities alone. It's about proving those capabilities. By mid-2029, trust in AI-driven systems will increasingly rely on verifiable evidence, logs, signatures, auditable trails. Organizations that master managing and showcasing their evidence assets, think robust testing suites, red teaming scenarios, and clear accountability, will thrive. The winners won't necessarily be the ones with the biggest models, but the ones whose AI systems are the most transparent, reliable, and provably safe. In short, being provable is the new currency. That's the horizon ahead.